I'm sure you have heard about the new tax law policy that will be taking effect from January 1st, 2026. If you are an entrepreneur, a millennial, Gen Z, forex trader, crypto trader, or you earn online, this video is for you. I'm answering some of the questions you probably have concerning the new tax law policy. My name is Christiana Adeyemi, and I am a final year student of the Lagos State University studying law, and I'm excited to have you here. But before we begin the questions, the tax reform policy is an amazing breakthrough for Nigeria. I am so excited. It's an amazing breakthrough for Nigeria. And if you want to find out more about the technicalities about the tax reform policy, you should actually check out my Medium post or LinkedIn post. So now I'll be going straight into the questions you have concerning the tax reform policy. How would the new tax reform affect your salary and take home pay? The new tax reform will affect your salary in that from now on, if you're earning about 800,000 naira year and as your yearly allowance, like if you add your salary together, it's 800,000 naira at the end of the year. That's about 60 to 70,000 naira. You would not be paying tax because you are considered as a low income earner. Yes, so you are considered a low income earner. But if you're earning above 800,000 naira and above, then you fall into the bracket of people that would be paying certain taxes. And these taxes are broken up to as far as 25%. But this is not, you're not paying 25%. You're paying about maybe 10%. You can check out the table for to find out where your money would fall in under if your money is above 800,000 naira. Will student income, NYSC allowances be taxed differently? So let me give you the short answer and the long answer. Yes and no. Let me explain. For your allowances will not be taxed because they will be regarded as gifts. So they would not be taxed. However, if you are earning if now what does the government consider gifts? Now you cannot just say that, oh, I heard of someone that said that, oh, because gifts are non-taxable, anybody that sends them money or any transaction they make, they should just put gifts in the description. That would not work. Why? Because gifts are considered to be money or items that are given without any value attached. So you are not offering any value for what you are being for the gifts you are getting. So upon giving value, you will be taxed for anything you give value for, and you get paid for it. You will be taxed. However, your allowances would not be taxed. They are considered gifts, and they would not be taxed. Does the new tax law affect the prices of goods like food, transportation, electricity? Now, this is the good news to this answer. It's that yes, it does affect, and it reduces it actually. So there is something called VAT, that is value added tax. And from next year, essential items. What are essential? The new reform policy said that essential items will be zero tax. Meaning, what is essential item? Essential items are items that people need for their everyday living. There are five essential items. One is food, healthcare, rent, transportation, and education. These five will be non-taxable. So food, for example, if you are buying food raw material, your rice, your gari, they would not be taxed. You are paying for a tuition in a tertiary institution in Nigeria, you will not receive any VAT at the end of this. However, so yeah, it would basically reduce the prices of goods and services. Would crypto earnings now be taxed in Nigeria? The answer is yes, it will be taxed in Nigeria. It will be taxed under, I think, capital gains tax, and you are going to pay. But so if you earn $1 million in from crypto, you would have to pay tax in Nigeria. I think I'm glad the new reform policy has brought awareness to tax generally in Nigeria, and people will be more informed about their finances. Thank you so much.